Now we're subtracting a fraction from a mixed number. So if we look at the fraction part of the mixed number first, we have 11 twelfths minus 9 twelfths. Remember, when we're subtracting fractions, the denominator stays the same in our answer. And now for our numerator, 11 minus 9 is 2. We have 1 as our whole number, and we're not taking any wholes away, so we still have one whole in our answer. So that gives us 1 and 2 twelfths. Now 3 and 2 fifths minus 1 fifth. If we look at the fractions first, we have 2 fifths minus 1 fifth. So the denominator stays the same, and 2 minus 1 is 1. We still have our 3 wholes because we're not taking any wholes away, so that gives us 3 and 1 fifth as our answer. Now 1 and 6 sevenths minus 3 sevenths. So the denominator stays the same in our answer. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 1 minus nothing is 1, so our answer is 1 and 3 sevenths. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.